So in this iMovie tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to add a photo from your camera roll into a video here in iMovie. So first thing you have to do is open up iMovie, and then once you're into iMovie, go to sort of the middle left-hand part of your screen and press on the plus arrow. Now when you're on the screen, I want you to go ahead to where it says photos and select whatever photo, either a different album that you want or just go to your camera roll. So for me right here, this is my camera roll, a whole bunch of different black pictures right here because I just took a whole bunch of photos face down towards my desk. But if you just wanted to add any of these photos, just go ahead and press on one of them, then go to the bottom and then press on the circle with the plus arrow. Simply just press on that. And there you go. You've now added a photo from your camera roll into a video. So if you were to go ahead and play it, it's your camera roll photo. And then for me, it's going to transition into my background. So pretty straightforward, but that's how you guys can add a picture from your camera roll into your video here in iMovie. I hope this video helps, and thanks again for watching.